Let us help explain what teeth straightening at Confidental means for you. The moment you experience your smile makeover transformation at Confidental, you'll wish you'd done it sooner. Getting comments on your beautiful, confident smile, the feeling of your tongue sliding over your perfectly aligned teeth, will be worth every penny. At Confidental we understand everyone is different, and so are your teeth. We want your smile to suit your mouth. That's where our digital scanner, the Atero, comes in. A video simulation of your teeth straightening gives you a glimpse of what your new smile could look like. It even gives you a digital roadmap and timeline to get you the results you deserve. Rest assured, we've transformed hundreds of smiles over the years. Cross bites, deep bites, crowded, gapped, under bites and open bites are some examples of what we have helped with. Experience the transformation. Experience Confidental. Your reason to smile.